if you want to come see the industrial Pittsburgh, empty buildings. It's absurd, folks, how much they're building new. This is only because you can't actually build anything, and you got so look at what a state of affairs of the country. Resources wasted. Absurd. What a joke. Look at this. Absurd, right? Heinz. It used to be the Heinz building. You can see that. That's the Heinz. Your ketchup and mayonnaise. They moved to a more environmentally friendly places and leaving behind their history and no protection of this building. Look at the state of this. How could you do this to something so beautiful one time? Is it because of the total neglect, a total arrogance? Heinz factory has turned into apartment blocks now. At least that's all you can do, huh? Like what's happened to Gillette, what's happened to Cadbury's buildings in the UK, right? Heinz Lofts. Heinz Lofts. Heinz factory. Here on 16th Street, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The two chimneys that spew all the industrial waste, making your ketchup and mayonnaise. Wow. It's a Heinz factory, and look at this. Oh my goodness. some industrial way. Sarah Heinz house. Wow. Wow, what a sad history. What happened to America? Huh? What really happened to Sarah Heinz house? What really happened to America? Nobody knows. How can an incredible history be crushed and trampled this way? This is an incredible, dedicated work for the human. The man who provided to his wife, and in her memory, he built this beautiful building. Dedicated to the training of youth and molding of character. Where did we go wrong? Or what did go wrong? What happened? What really happened? Nobody knows. Huh? Nobody knows what happened to this amazing country that was built 250 years ago by dedicated people who came here in pursuit of betterment of life. And less than 250 years, the entire country has fallen back. Hundreds of years. A great and beautiful stars and stripes hanging there, draped on a historic building on the interstate, and history standing bare, stripped and ripped. Heinz Loft apartments, hopefully at least bring in some new life to this historic landmark. Heinz chimneys, the factory that work for your healthy diets. Look at this rail bridge. Scary thought, right? But it's the reality here. Historic landmark and historic buildings of America fallen, crumbled. It's a true reminder, actually, what happens when you take your attention away from human prosperity or human prosperity. Crumbling America and people working, and this was completely out of bound for humans, sensible humans, dangerous area. And it's just straightened out a little bit since February of this year. Otherwise, this is a no-go area. Look at that church. The parish that flourished once during the industrial times. It's boarded up completely. Oh my goodness. I think this is a true religious Christian nation. When you look at it like this, it's scary thought to know a church can be ruined, boarded up in this way. This could have been a terrible disaster. human prosperity, right? Henry J. Heinz, 1844 to 1919, he actually was innovative to keep the modern diet alive. By selling bottled horseradish, Heinz built an international firm by 1886. He pioneered innovative advertising and quality control and benevolent employee policies and transformed the modern diet. What he did was fabulous and fantastic. What happened thereafter to his legacy stands on, right? But the building was left to complete ruin until a preservation converted them into a loft and apartments.